buddy. Oh shit. Dead? I don't know, he keeps pointing his gun up like he's dead. Did you hit him?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Roll around and load up his mag now, not soon. When we have a second. Don't. Around me. Around me. You're gonna get fired at, dude. Anything? Yeah, I know. We follow orders. I kind of have a challenge on this instructions though. We need to get all desert forces here. Well, desert's still securing a couple others.
Are we picking someone up or going to attack?
Alright. So, just watch over this way. Here's the thing, they're not using their APC. Like, why don't we load up some guys over here? About be advised, I'm leaving my pistol in here. This belt's coming loose.
Oh, I know. That works out.
Okay.
Hey, I'll buy it off you.
Air conditioning is bad, dog. We got 5 people. Huh? We got 5 people.
Alright, check it out, guys. We're gonna outflank all of these guys. We're gonna take you on the other side. Just drop you.
Alright.
Sick.
Sick! Are you going to be quick direct?
We don't need 5 guys.
I know, let me just call
Let's go this way, right? Over the map.
Oh, if you remember me, I'm the one that gave you the mags at Lion Claws.
Yeah. Drew. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Drive around it.
That's your dad. Back in Russia? No?
He's been here for 10 years, right?
Oh,
even more. So.
I thought he came here, like, visited here.
No.
I like that one. Hold on, guys.
See the woodland here.
12 and then level 2, right?
Good.
We can't shoot it.
You what?
See this rock right here? Just look next to it. Bam.
Oh, nice.
Now we're on both sides.
Alright,
Full sideways.
yes.
Drew, get the door. I got you covered.
Don't give him ground. Don't give him ground.
Hold on. Is there anybody over here? Is it clear? Okay, so it's just this guy right here then, right? Look, right here. All up along this berm. Check it out. No, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get back in. We're gonna move your cover, moving cover all the way up. Okay? We're gonna push it back. Let me get close. Stand clear. We're gonna turn around.
On the right, on the right, on the right.
Hit! Ah! Hit! Oh, meat shield.
Yeah,
Do you have an issue or?
Did you get hit?
Yeah, I hit him with
Huh? Oh yeah, she dug in there.
You guys drove pretty fast.
Sorry.
It's alright, thank you guys. Technically he has the APC. Whatever. What are we doing?
Hey Victor, you guys tagged the APC Fallout 100. You're back in. This is regen.
Oh, we.
Unless we drive away.
Oh man, you.
We're within the rules to do this.
Yeah, I'm just.
We didn't do anything wrong.
Tap in, you're good.
Tap in, Fallout 100. We're regen.
Hey, just so you know, you can shoot at the people behind it. You're not. If you hit it, it's fine. You can't take it out or can't shoot the people inside. Sorry if that wasn't clear.
Mobbing, dude.
Rolling, dude.
He's riding low in the back, dude.
It's 88 to Warthog. I got a sit rep for you on flag 4. Initially, we had some woodland forces and we drove them back, but now we have a second squad coming in via APC. So we're gonna start our second sortie here. Go ahead.
No. 5? Like,
Should totally just take them all out, right?
Yeah, dude, fuck.
Red looks so funny with an empty.
Let's, okay, turn to the slight, like left, right? And then stop right here. Stop right here. Because we want to make sure we have enough to get out. Let's just chill here.
I prefer to back up a little bit.
All right, well yeah, that's fine.
Let's go, Marvin! Go, go, go!
No, we're not loading. We're not loading. We just.
There's cover.
Huh?
What is that going to say?
Then to go where?
Flag 5, I
Oh, do
think.
we capture this?
Yeah, it's secured already.
Yeah.
Flag 5?
So get the hell out, so.
All right. You know what? We're gonna pack this thing up as much as we can. I forgot about that.
Change location. Hey, flip it around. Flip it around.
Hey, get back, get back.
We're not clear.
What?
Clear. Clear. We're gonna move a little bit in a second.
We're saying. Okay. Adam, you got.
Yeah, I'm on it. All right, guys, load it up. Fast.
We want to be able to hear each other.
A bag and a half left.
Yeah.
Adam, take him out right there. Down the road.
You need BBs?
Yeah, I'll take BB. You got him?
Your fives work?
Where are we going?
That's what I'm running.
Are we going to flag 5 or is it capture door?
Let's set this down.
It's only $10 per BB.
Warthog, this Charlie Squad. You want us at flag 5, over, right?
Can you tuck in a little more and did you get one more guy in here? We got one more clap! One more, let's go!
Good time to reload.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can keep going to drop. It's hard not to drop. My hands are so fucking sweaty.
That's 6, but whatever.
What? What's up, dude? Clear?
Alright, we got some more tunes.
Yeah.